Hey Tech Explorers! Today, we are making the world of software happen faster with AWS CI CD. It's like a magic for your code. But what is AWS CI CD? AWS CI CD is a fancy term. Think of it like a superhero toolkit for developers. It gives you tools like CodeCommit, CodeBuild, CodePipeline, ECS Fargate, and ALB to make your coding life smoother. Benefits of AWS CI CD: quick update, better code quality, easy integration, and more productivity. AWS is here to be your coding sidekick. Let's see how to implement the AWS CI CD pipeline. First, AWS Fargate service. Go to the console search for ECS service and click on it. Then, click on the networking powered by AWS Fargate. Define task configuration to specify containers, resources, and networking. Push the application to the Fargate ECS. Configure the Fargate service to automatically scale based on demand. Second, Application Load Balancer. Create an Application Load Balancer in the AWS Management Console. Configure the ALB to distribute incoming traffic across multiple instances of your application. Now create the service which defines the multiple copies of tasks that will be running. Set up target audience and listener to route traffic to the appropriate services. Third, AWS CodeCommit. Create an AWS CodeCommit repository to store the source code securely. Clone the repository locally and push your code changes to the repository. Fourth, AWS CodeBuild. Configure a CodeBuild project to build your application. Specify the build environment, build command, and artifacts to be generated. Define build specification by using buildspec.yaml file. Fifth, AWS CodePipeline. Create a code pipeline to orchestrate the CI/CD workflow. Set up the source stage to pull code from CodeCommit repository. Add the build stage to trigger the CodeBuild project. Configure the deployment stage to deploy the application using the Fargate service. And there we have it. If you want more details, check out our blog in the description. Accelerate the software development journey with AWS CI/CD. Happy coding!